Now can you feel it? Now can you feel it? Let me tell you a story. Today I'm here. Asanda with METRO Heatwave. And the hopium was that no man could give METRO Heatwave can't you. And guess who's here? When I say Asanda, you say empires. Asanda! 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 This is my sister right here, Khitha. Sacha! When I say Konba, I want you guys to say Konba. In fact, my dad is closer, man. And the city Konba, Nani, Niti Konba, 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 Konba. This is my last song. This is my last song. This is my last song. Let's go. I want everybody to jump out here. DJ. Boy. So this is my last song, ne? Say Kaya, Kaya. So I want us to jump. Let me see your hands up, please. Everybody hands up. Everybody hands up. Everybody hands up. Drop it, DJ. When it drops, we go like this. Let's go. 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 1, 2, 3. Hey.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. She wanna fuck with her friends. I'm on time. I'm tryna come with some M's. Run it up, do it again. Big body bands. Hop up the portion that's heard of. We doing shit you ain't heard of. I told my mama just pray for us. I'm in the streets with them haters. And peace. 1, 2, 3. No, these ladies wanna follow on me. Any color with the Henny on me. Only blessing if you flow on me. Me and sister like rice and peas. 1, 2, 3. No, these ladies wanna follow on me. Any color with the Henny on me. You know what I mean? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. She wanna fuck with her friends. I'm on 10. I'm tryna come with some M's. Run it up, do it again. Big body bands. Hop up the portion that's heard of. We doing shit you ain't heard of. I told my mama just pray for us. I'm in the street with them haters.
Let me see, get that, we gonna see the text. overseas, down the cut, overseas, still on cut, I'm overseas, New York cut, easy on me, you feel yourself, yeah. Barbecue, Monty, Monty, now can you feel it? I didn't even, somebody didn't know. Now can you feel it? Fuck that shit, you see Monty, see mind, but it's like, see Monty, we are here. My name is Sosoboy Fosho. When I say Asanda, you say Empire. Asanda! Empire! Tanko!
How was your dog?